Welcome to Anime in New York City. Hey there, I am Alex, a passionate cosplayer, ready to transform into Kaneda from Akira for this? Let's get started. Remember clips from the anime showing Kaneda in action, focusing on his red jacket and bike. It is very important to capture Kaneda's leadership and rebellious spirit. Have a cosplay planning whiteboard, close-ups on sketches, and make lists of character details, like Kaneda's uniform, like the capsule emblem. Red leather jacket, bright cherry red with the capsule corp, good for health emblem on the back, and capsule patches on sleeves. Red pants, matching red leather trousers or red chinos with leather / synthetic knee pads for authentic texture. Gloves, fingerless red leather gloves, trimmed to match the jacket's hue. Cosplayers also work with a sewing machine. Boots, sturdy brown or black biker boots, slightly weathered for realism. Capsule logos, precise good for health, text, and capsule icon painted or appliqued with clean edges. Look at me painting the capsule and good for your health emblem with precision and artistic talents. It's a whole lifestyle being a cosplayer. Do it yourself and have fun. Check out Kaneda's gloves and boots. Hit the web for weathering hacks to nail that worn, battle-ready look. And don't skip the oversized red and black sci-fi rifle prop. Perfectly mirrors his iconic weapon straight out of Akira. About the Kaneda bike replica, you can building a non-functioning prop or rent one. Dive deep into styling Kaneda's iconic hair. Research the right gels, waxes, and heat tools to nail that tousled, rebellious look. Perfecting volume and texture takes skill. Cosplaying your anime hero demands obsessing over every strand for total authenticity. Applying light makeup to achieve Kaneda's youthful and energetic look. Focus on creating authentic scars or bruises using makeup. Here I stand in full Kaneda cosplay beside my Scarlet bike. Helmet jauntily tipped, jacket zip tight, gloves on. Every piece syncs. Scuffed boots, laser rifle at hip, belt cinched just so. True cosplay isn't just wearing the look. It's owning Kaneda's fearless swagger and leadership in every pose. And finally adjust the costume details, the capsule emblem alignment on shoulders. Small tweaks can enhance realism. Be prepared to capture reactions from passersby. Pose with other cosplayers. Bring the character to life. Believe me, here I am. Cosplayers have to have a workspace to quick fix common issues like material tears or malfunctioning props. You also may have some professionals who offer quick fixes. Can't wait to meet you all at Anime 2025. Bring your Kaneda cosplay to life your way. Smash that play button, subscribe, and drop your cosplay pics and stories below. Craving more pro tips? I've got you covered with insider hits. See you in the neon-lit halls.